हेलो एवरीबॉडी, नमस्कार टू यू ऑल। कैसे हैं आप सब? सो टुडे आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस अबाउट समथिंग that is very essential to the hospital care setting. So have you ever wondered how hospital ensures safe and consistent care to every patient? The answer lies something, and that is quality tool. So today I would like to explain about quality tools. So there are various quality tools, not one or two or three. There are various quality tools named process mapping, root cause analysis or cause and effect analysis, mistake proofing, Pareto chart analysis, brainstorming quality tool, then check sheet, checklist or check sheet, histogram, PDCA, plan, do, check and act, 5 why analysis, why 1, why 2, why 3, why 4 and why 5, means 5 times why. 5 times why we will ask and we will get to know its root cause. What is the root cause? Then next, project management tools. The last one is Gantt chart. So these are some quality tools. By using these, we deliver safe and quality care to our patients. Now, out of them, today I'll discuss about process mapping. So what is process mapping? So whatever I am discussing here is all about Nqas quality tool. So you must have aware about National Quality Assurance Standard. To upgrade the standard of any hospital and to deliver the quality care to the patients, there are various tools and called quality tools. So process mapping is one of them. So in Nqas, process mapping means creating a step-by-step flow of patient care activities. Step by step. It helps us understand who does what, कौन क्या करेगा, when and why and how, कौन क्या करेगा, कब करेगा and कैसे करेगा. So for all that, there is a map, there is a system, there is a process, there is a flow chart. So that flow chart is called process map, and the process is called process mapping. So I am sure you will get to understand by the examples, because when we know the definitions, it's not very much clear, but when we know some examples, then we understand it very easily. So if we map the process, we will make the flow chart and we follow that chart, then there is no chance to miss any step. Otherwise, verbally, if we perform one step, then other step is missed. So in this way, a process map always helps us to ensure the complete process, the complete procedure and the complete and quality care, to enhance and upgrade the standards of the patient care. All right. So So we will understand by the one example, that is the post-operative care process mapping. Post-operative care process mapping, it's very easy to understand, so that's why I took this example, post-operative process mapping. So for post-operative process mapping, the first procedure, the first process will be handing over. Handing over by OT staff to the post-op staff, that is taking over. So taking over of the patients and transferring to the bed by the help of patient transfer board. So our process will be easy. Then the next point is vital monitoring. We have already took over the patient, transferred the patient to the bed. Then the next process is vital monitoring. So immediate monitoring of pulse, oxygen, saturation and respiration. Then during that time, just after transferring to the bed, we will administer the oxygen for some time, and as we monitor the vitals of the patient, then we get to know that where there is need of more oxygen or not. But at least first half an hour there is need to administer the oxygen. All right. So this is about the vital monitoring and oxygen administration. Next is observation. So continuous monitoring for complications like bleeding or respiratory distress. So we need to check the BP and the oxygen saturation. Pulse and respiration already is there in our monitor. Multipara monitor is there in every setting. So we will check there through the monitor. Next point is pain management. So pain management is very important, as you must have realized after surgery the patient always feels some severe pain. Though there are various painkillers are given inside the operation theatre, but still patient feels pain. So we need to manage the pain by asking the doctors, by checking the check sheet, by checking the patient's file paper by the anesthetist inside the OT. So we can check there what all medications are already given inside the OT and what all are remaining, and we can ask to the anesthetist also. Then next is the doctor's order of the medications. So we will check the medications and the IV fluid therapy. Then next is transfer to the ward. So if the patient is stable, then we will proceed for the transfer. Otherwise the patient will be stay here overnight. Then the next point is preparation for discharge. So for transferring to the ward, there is again a process, that is the patient transfer book. So proper we will write down in the book and we will transfer the patient to the ward for their belongings, their files, investigations, other paper like that. Then next is documentation. So every step is recorded accurately for accountability and continuity of care. So the next is we will take care of the sterilization, final evaluation, and the cleaning and sterilization of as per protocol. Next is patient counseling and the education about the medications and follow up. So this point, all these points are there in our flow chart. So process map is in the form of flow chart, and we will follow one after other. So first, handing over, taking over, then the second is transferring to the bed, then the third is oxygen administration, and simultaneously we will attach the monitor vital for the vital sign monitoring. Then pain management, IV fluid and doctor's instruction for the medications. Then we will check continuously if the patient is stable, then we will proceed for the transfer out. Otherwise, patient will be stay here for overnight. So these all processes are already on our flow chart, and one by one if we will follow, then there is no chance to be missing of any step. So in this way, process map quality tool will help us to deliver safe and quality care to the patients. It will manage his pain. We will give them the health education, the counseling, proper follow up when they will need to come here in the hospital for the follow up care. So this is all about the process mapping. So when we map this entire process, we can easily identify the gap, the delays, missing steps or risks, and we can fix them. Process mapping doesn't just show the process, it improves it, it beautifies the quality of our patient care setting, means the various concerned department. If we start implementing in our department the process mapping, it take a big step towards Nqas quality excellence. That is what the purpose of Nqas, National Quality Assurance Standard. So this is all about process mapping. I hope it would be clear to you all and you can implement in your department, and in this way we will enhance the quality care to the patient. Thank you everyone. Thanks for your patient listening. Thanks a lot and have a great day.